smell a stick. It's over here. Oh my god, it's like right here somewhere.
I don't think I should get mine. It's in a dangerous spot.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah it is. If I miss this. Hold on. I might have the last piece. Yep. Okay. 12 then?
Mm-hmm.
Don't knock me out of the air. Oh my jeez.
Oh!
Let me just... There. 12.
Yes. But you sleeping?
Eggs! No, I'm pushing.
Oh. I can't manage as a bird?
We have 4 eggs. If you manage it, there's nothing to break, so... Message Timmy, see if he wants to get in here.
There you go. Oh.
So press your spacebar a couple times. It'll bust you out of there.
There he is.
Look at him wiggling.
Hop.
Oh my god, that egg flew. And
I think
press your spacebar a few more times or left control. Oh, he came out looking
those
like
are
you.
yours.
He's got your orange.
Oh, okay.
Hey, fam.
Yeah, go to Mamba so he can feed you since how he's closer. Hold E.
Nice. Full.
Look at Timmy being born.
I was born.
I think all you can
I'm
do as
just
a
born.
hatchling is fly. Jump. You can't fly.
You like your view?
Yeah, you got a whole balcony right here.
Nice.
Don't fall off of it though. You can't fly, so...